watching Let's Chat.
Let's face it, all of us, when we're driving at some point, take certain safety measures for granted. Can't be helped. Or can it? And is there a way for you to drive safer than what you think you may be driving now? I think our next guest has the answers to all of these questions. It is Regina Young. Regina is with Erlanger Health System. Good to see you, Regina. You and the folks at the UT Extension Office have come up with this really cool idea called CarFit. Exactly what is CarFit?
So CarFit is a program that's designed to make sure that your car fits you when you're driving, that you're at a safe distance from your steering wheel, that you are attuned to where your blind spots are, your rear view mirrors, that type of thing, and really focuses on the updates to cars as well when it comes to all the new technology that...
All right, give me an example.
So one of the things we do is when we're looking at blind spots, we have somebody stand in the blind spot to a car and have the participant look in their rearview mirror to measure and see if they can actually see that person, not only by their side view mirrors, but their rear view mirrors as well. We make sure the distance from the steering wheel is at least 12 inches, that you can see over your steering wheel at least 3 inches. Those are just some of the activities and measurements that we take during the program.
One of the things that younger drivers especially are more and more reliant on, rear view camera mirrors, backup mirrors. You can't rely on those. I mean, they're good, but...
They're great safety measures that have been implemented, but you also need to be able to turn to the side and be able to see behind you just in case. Make sure you've got adequate range of motion to do those things safely. Make sure also that you are pressing the gas pedals correctly, that you're not doing it with your tippy toes but your entire foot. So those are some of the other aspects of it.
So this also fits the drivers to the car and the car to the drivers.
Absolutely.
All right, you're of a certain age. We're not going to say what that age is, but you are of a certain age.
I am of a certain age.
Are you comfortable in using just a backup camera?
Oh, no, not at all. I am a firm believer in you use your backup camera, but you also have to check your surroundings around you to make sure that you're not missing something, because those backup cameras are not infallible.
No, they're not. And if you have a truck and the truck tailgate is down, your camera's out. Somebody could have accidentally driven by your car and splashed mud on your camera, and by the time you're backing up and you hit something, it's too late.
Absolutely. And so making sure that you have adequate vision and views when you're in your car is critical.
So anyone can attend this event, correct?
Yes, it was originally created geared toward seniors, but we all need to be safe in our cars, and we all need to make sure our car fits us and that we're comfortable when we're driving.
Is this a drive-through event, or is this a place where people actually get out and listen to what you have to say, and then you'll help them do the executions?
You can do all of this from the comfort of your vehicle. We'll have a series of stations, so you drive up. We help you evaluate where you are currently sitting in your car, if that is functional for you, or do we need to make those changes. But it is done all sitting in your car.
Very good. Regina, thanks so much for joining us. Again, it's coming up this Wednesday, so it's a week from yesterday, May 25th, at the Shepherd Community Center, 2124 Shepherd Road. Call them at 855-2697, 855-2697. The folks at AARP will be on hand there, as well as AAA, Regina and her team, and more. And it's brought to you by the folks at the UT Extension Office and Erlanger Health System. Regina, thanks again so much. Hope you have a great turnout.
Thank you.
Don't rely just exclusively on those backup cameras. You either. And don't back up and don't touch that remote. We'll be right back.